Presenting HP 14S 11th generation Intel Core i3 14 inches laptop in natural silver. It comes in a size of 32.4 into 22.5 into 1.8 centimeters and weighs 1.46 kilograms. The laptop runs on Intel Core i3 1125G4 processor and comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home 64 Single Language Edition, Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019, and McAfee LiveSafe 30 days free trial. It has 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz SD RAM that is upgradable to 16GB with Intel UHD graphics and 256GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD storage. The laptop is powered with lithium-ion battery for a long battery life. It has 14 inches FHD IPS anti-glare micro-edge display with a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels. Enjoy stereo surround with built-in dual speakers. It features inbuilt Alexa and 720-pixel HD camera. The laptop is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and is equipped with 2 USB 3.0 ports and 1 HDI port. The box contains the laptop and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.